In this lecture, we will study about the verrucous carcinoma. So, verrucous means warty or wart-like. It basically comes from a word called as a verruca, that means the wart-like projections or the warty. So, verrucous carcinoma, also known as the snuff tipper cancer or Ackermann tumor. Why it is called as a snuff tipper cancer? Because it occurs due to the chronic snuffing of the tobacco. So that's why called as a snuff tipper cancer. And why it is called as the Ackermann tumor? Because this etiology of verrucous carcinoma was firstly described by the Ackermann. So that's why called as a Ackermann tumor. So why it occurs? As we study that it is a warty variant of squamous cell carcinoma. So squamous cell carcinoma, the etiology is chronic tobacco chewing or chronic tobacco snuffing, same as that in the verrucous carcinoma. So it is a warty variant, so HPV induced type 6, 11, 16 and 18 of HPV, that is human papilloma virus. And extraoral sites where the verrucous carcinoma occurs, it is unrelated to the tobacco use. Coming to the clinical features, as you can see in the pictures, there is a white plaque-like surface, pebbly surface-like area. It is more common in the elder age. Males are commonly affected than females. Site, it is basically seen where the patient put the tobacco, or it is seen in the mandibular vestibule, tongue, hard palate, gingiva. So clinical presentation, as you can see in the picture, there are white plaques. They are diffuse, well demarcated, and they are relatively painless. So untreated cases, or mostly verrucous carcinoma when left untreated, have the pushing borders, or they destroy the underlying structures of the oral cavity, destroying the underlying structures of the oral cavity. So as you can see the picture of the verrucous carcinoma, it is white in appearance, most commonly white in appearance, but it may also be pink or edematous in appearance, because the color depends upon the amount of keratinization and host defense mechanism. So coming to the another term, that is a verrucous hyperplasia. What is difference between verrucous hyperplasia and verrucous carcinoma? Verrucous hyperplasia is also the exophytic growth of the well differentiating keratinizing epithelium. That is, it clinically appears same as that of verrucous carcinoma, but it does not have destructive pushing borders. So histopathology, so how you will see it in the microscopically, you can see like these are the rete ridges, and these are broad. Rete ridges are broad, like that of elephant foot. So we called it as a elephant foot shaped rete ridges. Elephant foot shaped rete ridges, or the broad rete ridges. This is the cleft, or where there is parakeratin filling. So this is a parakeratin plugging. So this is a epithelium, and in between this there are clefts which are filled by parakeratin. So clefts filled by the parakeratin plugging, this is a hallmark of verrucous carcinoma. So there is no or very less cellular atypia or the dysplastic features. It has a basement membrane that is intact. So that's why it is not as harmful as squamous cell carcinoma. It has pushing borders, broad borders. So you can see in the histopath diagram, it has verruciform projections, or the verruciform surface papillary projections. That's why we called it as a verrucous carcinoma, or the warty variant of the squamous cell carcinoma. In the connective tissue, you will find the inflammatory cells. That is a part of our host defense mechanism. So reteriges, they appear to push into the underlying connective tissue, but the basement membrane is intact. So 20% of verrucous carcinoma converts to the conventional squamous cell carcinoma. So treatment. So as we know, the treatment of choice is surgical excision. So it is not extensive as that of the oral squamous cell carcinoma. So that's why diagnosis of the verrucous carcinoma is important. So if there is a lymph node involvement in the patient having verrucous carcinoma, we have to go for the radical neck dissection or the selective neck dissection, and the recurrence rate is 10%. And thank you. This was all about the verrucous